Hey, hi there, I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about this book, Learning How to Fly by A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. Now, this book is not written by A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. This book is spoken by A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, meaning A.P.J. Abdul Kalam gave different lectures on different occasions in different places like school, colleges and universities. And the Ruba publisher of this book did a great job. They brought all his lectures into a book. And here you can see I'm holding this book. So without further ado, I'm going to tell you how I like this book. So I would like to start this book review like this. I will read you a poem from this book. I will fly. I'm born with potential. I'm born with goodness and trust. I'm born with ideas and dreams. I'm born with greatness. I'm born with confidence. I'm born with wings. So I'm not meant for crawling. I have wings. I will fly and fly. And this poem makes this book, complete. When I read this book, or when I read this poem, I literally felt like, yes, I have to complete this book at a single sitting. And I did that, And there are a couple of sections I would like to read out to you. But before that, I would like to tell you one thing. When you read A.P.J. Abdul Kalam's book, what happens? You get a lot of quotations, a lot of life advice that really helps you have a kind of a, mental attitude to face your challenges in life, And at the same time, you get a lot of book recommendations. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam read a lot of books when he was a student, and he tells you why you should read those books. And at the same time, he gives a lot of practical suggestions for the teachers. I'm a teacher. I teach my students English, and I know that it is really difficult. Sometimes it's really difficult for me to keep up that, teaching motivation. But when A.P.J. Abdul Kalam said in this book that, he gave a lecture on a particular occasion. He said, if you are a teacher, you have to keep, acquiring knowledge, in your field so that you can be effective in teaching your students. When your student excels, you feel good about yourself that yes, I really did something which like I need to learn more so that I can help more students. So I would like to read something, and this particular lecture was given in Bangalore Baldwin Institution on 12th June 2015. And A.P.J. Abdul Kalam is talking about that we need to have 4 types of homes. And here he is talking about spiritual home. So pay full attention and listen to it carefully. Let us imagine a small family home and with father, mother, a son and a daughter, or 2 sons or 2 daughters. In this home, both parents earn. I visualize in this little home a little home library with at least 10 great books, and in this home, parents inculcate the reading habit among their children by reading books during breakfast or during dinner. The whole family gets together for at least one meal so that they communicate and discuss freely. When they are all together on the dining table, the mother or the father takes a book from the home library, narrates a story of ethics and moral values, and where the children participate in the discussion and offer their comments. Such a reading habit triggers the child to read the book in detail and collect more information on such stories. They put the lessons they learn thus in practice in their day-to-day life. Some children may also go to the school and discuss with such instances with other children, and so a larger community is benefited. This is how the seeding of reading habits can be inculcated among the young minds. In addition, I visualize a little prayer room where every morning or night the whole family, including children, prays and offers their thanks to the Almighty for receiving blessings. This family time will become the time when knowledge and value systems are inculcated in children. Such children will carry out their responsibilities with a spirit of excellence, dedication, and self-esteem. When I read this, I really understood the importance of having a small library of at least 10 books that you have stacked in your library, and that really helps you to become so motivated towards reading books and creates a spiritual home where the children in the home can get motivated. So he talks about basically the environment that helps you to have that kind of mindset so that you can achieve something in life. And in order to achieve something in life, you need to have that environment, right? You need to have the support of that environment, and you have to create that. Without creating the environment, you can't get the environment, right? So often we complain that, hey, I don't have the right environment, it is not the right time. But A.P.J. Abdul Kalam is saying, in short, that you have to create it, you have to make it. If the time is not right, you have to make the time right. If the environment is not right, is not perfect, then you have to make the environment perfect. When I was reading this book, I really felt happy that that I've got somebody who is a guiding light in my life. And as I said that I'm a teacher, and if you are a student watching this video, you need to understand that A.P.J. Abdul Kalam is an honest kind of a person who was very successful in his time. He became 11th president from 2002 to 2007, and he is called a people's president for a reason, because he always talked about people's interest, right? He was kind of a guy that everybody wanted to look up to. Still people want to look up to him. So I have ordered another book, and I will do the book unboxing very soon, possibly Thursday next week, and I will definitely show you the book, and I will read that book. I will put out the detailed book review on that book. So if you are interested in reading this book, I will give you the link from where you can buy this book. It is the collection of his lectures. He did not write this book, but it is more than that. So at the end of the video, I would like to tell you one thing. I am uploading videos on Thursday and Sunday. If you are interested in watching book reviews, then please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new raw video. Till then, you take care, and I will see you in the next video.